You see, I can't even be bothered. Forget it.
Educating Ricky.
Doing it. We're not doing it.
No, we are! Oh,
Right, play the tune, Carl.
Play oh, Carl, come on.
Oh, Jumbo!
I don't want to play anymore.
In the middle of his head, and he's big and scary and lives in a cave.
Why is he scary? Because he's got. What if he had 8 eyes? I'd be scared of him. At the end of the day, he's got a disability. Oh, we'll talk about it in a bit.
Okay, right. Tell us!
No, Steve, we'll play your song.
No! Tell us! Right, finish it now.
Next week.
Don't you dare! I'll
see you later.
Split it in a million ways. I didn't have a starter.
I need to pay with Switch.
I didn't have a starter.
Can I pay on Switch?
Before you know, war breaks out.
Forget it.
Have a wonderful crap and just leave when the fire brigade get there.
Forget it.
Do you want a Nintendo? Yeah. Kick the rabbit to death then. Or no food for you.
Oh,
brilliant.
No.
Come on. What do you mean they said it?
Forget it.
No! Don't forget it! Carl, do not press that! Switch the record off. Switch the record off, Carl.
I can't be bothered now. Let's just play something.
Carl, because I'm interested. I'm interested. Seriously, I am.
Come back after this.
No. Let me finish the story. Come on.
Long links.
I'll tell you in a bit.
I'm getting annoyed. I'm getting so angry.
They're not. People going.
Pop Idol.
What are you into?
Galileo's good.
Yeah.
Forget it.
No.
You know, theoretically, he could get called up for jury service. Right, you're on...
The place where you go to take your dog a walk.
Forget it then.
No, we'll do it! No, do it! Get you. Definitely not.
So they were like, that's weird, we haven't got a bassist. Anyway, so they go, well, whatever, right? So
We haven't got a bassist.
So
They go, whatever, let's go home.
Oh, forget it.
XFM.
Alright, Linda, you alright?
What would make your day, Linda?
If Karl actually gave it a lick, not just a kick.
Forget it.
Let's hear
The end is
He's in
really
China.
that he's going to China, he's filming the pandas and whatever.
No, it's not. They wouldn't send a monkey director. They would not send a monkey director.
Why have you got a monkey cooking stuff? So he said, well...
Incidentally, a monkey, I should point out, who probably doesn't need instructions from its girlfriend.
Forget it.
XFM.
When this other monkey comes along,
Oh
Oh, no.
that was brilliant.
Go on.
right? That comes in, something's said. Right, forget it then. Forget it.
XFM.
But couldn't he, I mean, why is he taking a pet and not a mate who... I'm not interested. Forget it. I try and learn and you don't help. There's a lot of smoking going on.
It's going on.
A lot of eating and nuts going on. That was a bit weird because they don't normally get through as many, but for this night. So, come on, let's just play Bruce.
Well, I hope you enjoyed some of the best of moments there with.
I'm not going to use these.
Why not?
They're a mess. Forget it. Forget it. Well, forget it. We'll do them in a bit when you're done.
I'm not. I cannot do it.
When's your plane?
It doesn't matter when the plane is.
We can do it in a bit.
I'm definitely not.
I'm not wasting my time going through that.
Well, I'm not doing it then.
So
There won't be
we'll
any
waste our
meeting then.
time. Right. Forget it then.